Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of watching me, please don't fail to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please, what are you waiting for? If you are just passing by, you come across this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, it will come to you directly. I'm going to give you 1 minute so that you can subscribe. I'm waiting. You are not going to pay money. Just support your sister and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm still waiting. I know you will do it. Subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. I saw it. May God bless you. Today I'm going to be making homemade popcorn. This recipe is very simple to put together. You can make this popcorn for your visitor. You can make it for your kids. My kids love eating popcorn. We are going to be using 3 ingredients in this recipe. Let me introduce you to the ingredients. Here I have butter. I'll be using butter, and I will be using corn. This is the corn I will be using. 2 grams of corn. This is the corn I bought from supermarket. Can you see it? Don't think. Let me turn it. This is the corn. I will be using sugar as well. We are going to be using these 3 ingredients. We are going to be using these 3 ingredients for this recipe. Very easy recipe. This is the pot I will be using. At this point, you are going to turn on your gas. I will be using butter. Now I'm going to put the butter inside the pot. This is the butter. Just allow it to melt. I will allow the butter to melt. Just allow the butter to melt. You can use any kind of oil. You can use olive oil. You can use any kind of oil to do this popcorn. At this point, I will add my corn. And mix it together. Just mix it. And mix it. At this point, you are going to stir it together. I'm so happy. My kids love eating popcorn. They will be happy for today. At this point, you are just going to close it and put your gas in a medium heat. Don't high your gas so that your popcorn will not be burned. Just put it in a medium heat. The heat, at this point, the heat will just make it to be popping up. We are going to wait. I'm so happy. My kids love eating popcorn. You can see it's popping up. See it? You have to close it. Allow it to pop up. You can see it's popping up. See it. See it's doing. Can see it. At this point, we are just You can see it. At this point, we need to turn off our gas. You can see the popcorn. You can see popcorn is ready. You can see popcorn is ready. Just bring it out from the gas. Allow it to cool down before we add our sugar. At this point, we are going to add our sugar. You can use salt as well. If you don't like eating sugar, you can use salt. You can use honey, but I'm using sugar for today. Then we mix it together. You can see your popcorn. You can make this popcorn for your visitors so that they put this something in their mouth. You can make it for your kids. You know, kids love eating popcorn. This is all for today. Just mix it. Just mix it together. You are good to go. It's very easy recipe. Good to go. You are good to go. Please don't fail to subscribe and comment and tell me what you think about this popcorn. May God bless you for joining me on this journey of my popcorn. God bless you all. Please support me. Please don't fail to subscribe. This is it. You can be eating it. Yeah, very good. Tastes good. The popcorn. This is the popcorn. You can see the outcome of the popcorn. Very nice. You can make it for your kids and your friends, your family. Thank you for joining me to watch this video. May God bless you all. Please don't fail to subscribe and share. And put your comment down below what you think about this popcorn. May God bless you all. Have a nice day. Bye.